Good morning to all my viewers. Today I am going to explain to you TVS MSP 455 Excel Classic Dot Matrix Printer. In this printer, the printer which is working properly, but thing is which is not getting detect. That means the CPU and laptop not sensing this. I am going to switch on this. Yeah, I did switch on. The printer is in good condition, right? But if I connect the USB cable, in USB connection, I am not getting detect by my laptop. So after connecting this, immediately in my laptop right hand side bottom corner there should be some message like a new device which is detect, or otherwise if I go to printer and devices, and printer, so there will be some new device list, but there is no new device list. That means which is not detecting. So how to solve this problem? So first open this printer, remove the power cable, remove the USB cable, open the printer, yeah, this is the printer, right? See, you will be finding one USB port. What you have to do? See, simply disconnect this. See, I am going to disconnect this. I am going to disconnect this. Yeah, disconnect. Remove these two screws, only two screws. Right, remove the two screws, remove this, plug out. See here, this USB port got problem. Simply buy one USB port, this port, right? Unsoldering this, remove the USB port, and place a new port and soldering this if possible by you, do it yourself, or otherwise simply take this device and hand over to any service engineer or service people. They will unsoldering the existing USB port and soldering the new USB port, then you bring over here and connect it to your printer and may connect your USB cable. Surely it will work. This is the way to solve a problem. A printer which is not detecting means you have to do such a things. Generally the USB area only will give the trouble. Okay, so that you need not to take your printer completely. Simply take this USB port only, right? See, this is very simple issue, right? So if you like my video, put like, share my videos and subscribe my videos. Why I am asking you to subscribe? Every day I am giving solvation for printer problems, laptop problems and CPU problem. Printer means both inkjet, dot matrix and laser printer. See, if you continuously watch all my videos, you are able to solve the problem which is occurring in your printer, laptop and CPU. And also you can become a service engineer also. Thanking you. Have a nice day. Welcome.